Malakis. Wow, smells good. Diyan ka sa front kami. Dito si tatay, ha? Ah, dito? Okay.
Oh, I want that.
I like that? Okay. Ready, Connie? Ready? Go up. Up, ganun pa rin. Down, and then bend your knees. Up, down, bend your knees. Up, down, bend your knees. One more, Connie. Good. Thank you. Love you. Tell them good morning. Good morning po.
Good morning.
Okay, bye-bye. Siya, ay, hindi nakita si Peppa Pig. Yan, ganyan. Okay. Turn it off na. Ayaw. Need your finger, Juan. Hey, hey, hey. Good morning. It's a Sunday, alright? So, shout out to all those people that work on a Sunday. Like me, alright? So, and love you, me, love you, Kami. And, it's actually fun today that my daily exercise, my morning exercise is with my daughter because they're going to church. Alright, so that was fun. Alright, so love you, Kwame. And I called my mom yesterday. I called my dad too. We video paced them so we could actually just, I don't know, just check out on them and say hi and give them some smile. And shout out to my cousin. Alright, so it's a good and bad. Alright, so my Maricar and Eugene, alright, so now you're with the Lord, alright, so as you know, we're just passing by here, alright, so we just need to make the most out of it, alright, so alrighty. And now it's your turn to do some kind of exercise, alright, we're not getting any younger, alright, we need to take care of this body, alright, we are made to the likeness of God, alright, so we need to take care of this temple, alright. Alright, my name's Quake and let's do this again tomorrow, bye.